Welcome to Go Get It, where we break down real-world IFR procedures and make them easy to understand. Today, we are flying out of Victoria International, demonstrating the Mill Bay 8 departure off of runway 27. Whether you're practicing for an upcoming flight or just brushing up on your skills, we're going to walk through the key steps and considerations to master this departure procedure. Are you ready for the challenge? Because we're about to go get it. Alright, inside the Seneca 5, we're using a Garmin 530 GPS. We're going to start by loading the departure procedure. We'll select Flight Plan, click on the cursor, and rotate the knobs to type in Charlie, Yankee, Yankee, Juliet for Victoria International. Pressing the procedure button, we will select Departure, Mill Bay 8, runway 27, Vancouver transition. We've loaded the departure procedure and we'll review the waypoints. Now we'll set up the cockpit, so departure is runway 27. So we'll select the heading bug to heading 270. We'll select the HSI to point along the runway as well and confirm we're in the GPS mode. This departure procedure requires a direct to the Mill Bay and DB. We're going to be using the GPS and backed up by the ADF. Frequency can be found on the departure plate of 293. We'll move that frequency to the active, clicking the freak button. 293, and we'll locate our ADF. Holding the clear button, it'll take us back to the moving map mode. Departure frequency 125.95, Victoria Terminal. This also requires a VOR intercept on this departure procedure, so 15.9 for the Vancouver VOR. We are also going to select our standby VOR to the radial 221. Okay, now we're going to review the departure. Mill Bay departure from Victoria International. Departure route description: all runways contact Victoria Terminal after passing 1,000 feet, unless instructed otherwise by ATC. Maintain 4,000 feet or as assigned. Off of runway 27, we require a half statute mile. Requires a minimum climb gradient of 380 feet per nautical mile to 2,900 feet, which at 90 knots, it'll be about 570 feet per minute. We're going to climb directly to the Mill Bay and DB. Vancouver transition, cross the Mill Bay and DB with a climbing right turn, intercept the outbound track of 306 from the Mill Bay and DB, then a right turn to intercept the inbound Vancouver radial 221 to the Vancouver VOR. Just confirming our heading instruments are all set. We have 269. We're in GPS mode. For the next part here, as I look outside, we're going to speed it up to 3 times video. Now we are cleared for takeoff, runway 27. 2 positive rates of climb, gear will come up. Stable, flaps are up. Climbing directly to the Mill Bay NDB using the ADF and the HSI on GPS. Through 1,000 feet, we switched over to 12545 and contacted Victoria Terminal. Small correction of my track directly to the Mill Bay NDB. We're 3,000 climbing 4,000. As we cross the Mill Bay NDB, it'll be a climbing right turn to track 306 outbound from the NDB. Just re-intercepting that 306 track outbound, you can see we've turned our HSI to the 221 degree radial inbound to the Vancouver VOR. Level 4,000 feet. We'll just continue on this track outbound from the Mill Bay NDB until we intercept the radial to Vancouver. See, we're on radial 209, 210 now. It's a good situational awareness, a good indication of how close we are to the radial we're looking for. CDI is alive. You can see we're getting close to our radial of 221. And we'll start our turn to a heading of 043. And there you have it. Mill Bay 8 departure, Vancouver transition, runway 27. Remember, mastering these procedures is all about practice and precision, and you've just taken another step towards it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world IFR procedures and techniques. Do you have a procedure you want to see next? Drop it in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Keep flying smart, stay safe, and until next time, let's go get it.